Are you getting the internet speed that you're paying for? Let's find out next. Okay, let's get into it. Please make sure that your other devices in the house aren't using internet. Things like computers, phones, televisions. This will allow us to get the best results possible. If those devices are using the internet, it'll slow down the speed results. The first thing we want to do is bring up Chrome. Then we want to type in Internet Speed Test, which will bring us to this speed test right here. Let's go ahead and run speed test. This will give us a download and an upload speed. We got 64.9 download. Let's check in the upload right now. I use a VPN on this computer, so it's a little slower than it normally would be, and it thinks I'm in LA when I'm really in Arizona. So we got 64.9 download and 4.29 upload. Let's go into the next test. This test here is by Comcast. Let's go ahead and start this test. I'm kind of surprised at the speed of this test so far. I use Cox Internet currently, and this seems really high, especially since I'm going through a VPN, which usually slows things down. I got 125 down, and I got 10 up, and it thinks I'm in California right now. Let's go on to the next one. This is speedtest.net. You're not going to have to remember all these. I'm going to go ahead and put these all in the description. There again, it thinks I'm in LA. Let's hit go. It's connecting. $63.18 for my download. And 9.7 for my upload. It's really not that bad. Let's go to the next one. This is Verizon. There again, I'm going to put all these links in the description, so it'll make it easier for you to run them directly from there if you'd like. Let's go ahead and get started here. All right, this one finished. We got 45 down and 10 up. Let's go to the next one. This is Cox. So you would think this would be the best speed for me because I'm using Cox here at my house. $58.2 download. And 9.7 upload. All right, let's move on to AT&T. And we'll go ahead and we'll start. This one takes a little while to kick in. So we got 54.6 down. All right, so we got 54.6 down and 9.91 up. What's kind of interesting is they're all pretty close except for Comcast. 45 and 10, 63 and 9. But Comcast shows 125 and 10. I'm really surprised that it shows that high. I think these other tests are probably more likely, since they're consistent, they're probably more correct. In any case, what speed are you getting? Have you tried these tests? What did your ISP promise you? Who do you have for an internet service provider? Do they say you have 100 down and 20 up? Are you really getting that? Use these tests and find out if you're getting what you're supposed to. Anyway, that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.